This is how you edit data in Adapt FCS. Let's say that you want to change this user's name from Jerry to Jeremy. There's a few options. When you click the cell, you see this little pencil. This allows you on a mobile phone to click the pencil and edit the data. If you're using a PC, you also have the option to hold down Shift and click the cell to edit. You can also just begin typing. And then when you're finished, you can just tab out of the cell. So now you see the name has been changed. Let's say that I also want to change the hire date. I can edit this date and I can change it to 2/4/2020 instead. And then I can click out of the cell or tab out when I'm finished. You see how the cell turned green for a second? That's telling you that the edit was accepted, and then the cell changes back to its normal outline.